What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to show you how we patch a tire. This one here got a nail in it, and we're going to show you how we take care of it at the shop.
This old man in the country that I know, no money in what he used to grow. No, he don't care what people think. When a farmer turns into a hippie, times are hard in Mississippi.
Alright, as you guys can hear, it's we're letting the air out of it to keep the valve stem out. We found the spot here with a soap bottle, so as soon as it gets all the air drained out, we're going to show you all what we do to keep it while Bill's got all the air out. We step on the sidewall to bust it loose from the rim, because that's just how he does it. He does it guerrilla style. Like I say, this may not be the professional way or even the right way, but it's our way. I already wrestled the old tire off there, so we'll roll it around where the hole is. You guys can see right there where something was poking in it, and it's still poking in it. It's a nail on the inside. Let me show you guys that. Y'all see it right there? You can see there's the nail sticking in the tire. It don't have a head on the other side, so we're gonna pull it through on this side and show you guys what we can do. As you guys see, Bill's struggling with the vice grip, so we're going to try the Vampire 8-inch extraction pliers. Alright, we didn't have no luck pulling it through the back side. Of course, I had a head on it. We're going to use our Vampires, and they will pull it right out of there. These things are absolutely phenomenal for pulling nails out of tires, removing strip screws. These bad boys will do it to it. Alright guys, you can see we got our hole right there in the center, right there. So Bill's gonna take a roll-up pad, kind of rough that up a little bit so we can get our patch and glue to stick, and we're gonna show you what we do next. Alright guys, like I say, this may not be the professional way or in somebody's book the right way, but this is how we do it. brake cleaner he sprayed in there just to get everything nice and clean, all the rubber debris out of there. And he's gonna put some cement on there. Pulling the backing off the patch. Just putting the patch over the hole. Gonna take our handy dandy patch roller.
Not everybody does this. I always like to put another thin coat of layer around the outside edge of the seal or the patch to seal it off. And some people still vulcanize them. I don't. It just depends on what kind of mood I'm in. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't.
Guys, that's how you patch a tire. I'll show you how we stick it back on there and we'll check it out. Guys, first thing we do, we lube up the tire. We're just using some rubber lubricant from the old Napa. That just helps to get back on the rim. Sometimes a little monkey stomping is all it takes, ain't it, Bill?
That's right.
A little monkey stomping. Alright guys, we're going to test out Bill's handiwork. See how good a job he did. No bubbles. Right there it is. No bubbles. We're going to stick this thing back on there and get it going. Like always guys, if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up. Subscribe down here below and we'll catch y'all next time.